Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make turns using a center left turn lane. This video was requested by the lady from A Helping Hand, so I am going to demonstrate how to use these lanes safely and smoothly. So let's take a look. So what you see here, so you see two yellow lines here. This is the center left turn lane. So you see this lane on a road with a lot of traffic and a lot of plazas on the side. So if I want to enter one of these plazas, then I could safely get into this lane, the center left turn lane, and wait for my turn. Now there are cars coming from in front of me and I'll wait for these guys. Now while I'm waiting here, I'm not interrupting the flow of the traffic. The cars behind me are going smoothly. They are not interrupted by me stopping on the road. Now, the other use of a center left turn lane is that if I want to go to the other side of the road, then I don't have to worry about the traffic from both the sides. So I just see that the traffic, and now that truck is coming really fast, so I'll have to let that pass before I use the center left turn lane. So again, I will go into the center left turn lane because there are cars coming from that side. So I will use the center left turn lane. I'll wait there for a bit and merge with the traffic when it is safe to do so. So here, there were no cars coming, so I could smoothly merge with the traffic. So that is the benefit of a center left turn lane. I have a question for you. What do you think? Can we drive for the entire length of the center left turn lane in that lane, or is there a limit to it? Like, how many meters can we drive in that lane for? Is there a law regarding that? So I'd like you to answer that, and the person who answers this will enter a lucky draw and will win a $50 Amazon gift card. So I look forward to the answer to that question. Now there's a car behind me. Let me demonstrate once more. I will move away to be able to turn into the plaza. So I drive for a bit. I'm not interrupting the flow. You see the cars behind me are moving smoothly, and I'm going to Baba Taba. You're invited, everyone, to have lovely Indian food of Baba Taba. So that was a very smooth turn into the plaza. Now I am waiting to merge with the traffic on the left-hand side. I'm going to demonstrate that once more. There are cars coming on that side, so they are far. Now there's another car here behind me, so I will get into this lane safely, and I will try to get up to the speed and merge with the traffic. There was no car behind me, so I could safely merge. So that is the advantage of a center left turn lane. What do you think? They should have these lanes on all the roads, or only on a few roads? I don't see them a lot. And another thing I want to mention here is that, they're different. I was looking at another video and the center left turn lane looked different. The dotted lines were inside the lane. However, the road I was driving on, the dotted lines were on the outside. So I'm not really sure. I should know, as a driving instructor, I should know. But what do you think? Why do they have lines on the outside and on the inside? I would love to hear that from you. Hey, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then do give me a thumbs up. And if you still have any questions related to this lane, then leave a comment down below and I'll try to answer those questions for you. I'll look forward to the answers to the contest question, and I'll see you again with another video, my friend.